Hello and welcome back to GregTech New Horizons. I've been getting a lot of helpful advice, and specifically, they told me about getting the basic wire mill and the basic bending machine. I think we want Bender. Okay. Ooh, he's bad. I think that's a reference to Bender. So we're going to try to make these, and let's take a look downstairs and find out what we're up to. So we're gonna run down here. Taking a quick look at things. These ran out, and I had to put some more in there. They actually finally ran out, and I wasn't paying attention. Close enough attention. Let's see. Wow. Got some ash in there. Ash in there. So I still haven't figured out how to automate these. But that's okay. Then I started storing this extra stuff right here. But now I'm in good shape. Hop over here. Those are running. Oh, that one's finally stopped, so that's an issue. That's okay. We can fix that. And I went mining. Let's take a look at the map. Holy moly. Not only did I do mining, but I did a couple of different things. I went under there and expanded the underground passages, and then I went and I couldn't find copper. So I got the what was it? Ore finding wand, put copper in it, and I went out. And the funny thing is, the first place I went to, I found copper, because I'd already found that, and that, the old way where you dig down and look. I just needed to go a little further, and sure enough, I got a copper, and I got a pretty good copper one, but it was all deep, deep, deep copper. So I'm digging out a big, big area under there, but I have a lot more copper now. I put that through there, and let's go downstairs. I also have been replacing the torches. Let's see if we get rid of that. We've got a red X there, and if I put this here, I don't like these a lot, but they just work just as well as a torch. They're a little less obtrusive. I don't know. Maybe a different light sometime. I don't know. I moved some boxes over here with direct access to that. I wish there was a key. I know in a later editions there's keys that will show you the quantity of the item on there permanently. Like it's kind of like a label type thing, a label key or something. Identity key, I'm not sure. But there's no key like that, I don't think. But that's okay. But that does leave this box open, you know, kind of like that. And we'll just throw that in there for now, because out of habit, so I made the whole thing and it's right over there. I don't know. It's there, we might use it, we might not. I made this bigger with this. I made one of these and slapped it on there. It wasn't that bad. It was just 6 pieces of gold to do it. I think that's better than trying to do a gold one from scratch. I think it's better to make the iron chest and then do it that way, because it's a lot less iron or gold. So now we have all this room. We have more room in here, and I have a lot more copper because I went and got a lot more copper. Because we're making the wire mill. Wire mill's right over here. I actually expanded this as well. So now we have, this one makes these 2 things, and I've got the components in here to make that. Then you can make an LV machine just by going like this. And I could make one right now if I wanted to. But I don't. It's just there. This one's empty. This is like a precursor. So this is the basic stuff. Base foundation stuff, then this would make these things. Well, I noticed you need those. Here's one of them. Let's take a look at the recipe. Coal powder, copper wire, ball of glue, which is really not a ball of glue. It's where we've been using the resin. So let's take that out of there and hope that it's not used in any other recipe. It might be, but I don't think so. And that way it'll get a few less things in there. And what if we take some glue out of here? Take 64 for now. And we'll put it right here. So like that. Like that. Like that. What's the recipe? If we go like this, click it up there. Oh, no. We don't want that one. Let's find the right recipe. Scrolling through it. This one? Lignite? No. Charcoal. This is the one. So it wants copper, charcoal, and that. So let's put that in there, and then go find charcoal. Is it in here? Charcoal, coal dust. I don't know where the charcoal went. We'll find it. Charcoal dust. Did I put it in here? Charcoal dust. How do we make that? Let's see. Pulverize what? Charcoal? Charcoal. So we'll probably pulverize a bit of charcoal too, just to make sure that I have enough for in here. Although it's only one, so for right now that's probably enough. Don't get off track here. Then the copper wire, and I think we might have some in here. No, that was the issue and why I had to go do all that copper stuff, and that's why I want to make the wire mill, so we can get rid of that off our list. We can even get that off there and that off there. And this is what sent us down this path. Oh, geez. Right. Oh, boy. That is complicated. Steel, boy. So, figure it out. We'll get there. We want to make some... Oh, boy. I think I've got some upstairs cooking or flattening. Let's go take a look. I should have took one less because it's divisible by 3. Let's go see if we've got some flattening up here. Yes, we do. We'll take some extra of that as well. Cool. Now we can go back down here and we'll chop some up. We'll chop up, I don't know, 12, I guess? I don't know. Oh, we got some layabouts and chops. I'm gonna have to make another pair of scissors too. Oh, I don't want that many. Well, I do, but let's do half of those. And then, how do we make the scissors? Steel, 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 the screw there? Okay. That's kind of hard to remember. Triples, and then that and a screw. Okay. That and that. Separate it like that. Oh, we don't have enough. Oh, we do have some more here. 1, 2, 3. We'll do, I guess, 3 of these. Okay. And then, what were the tools that it wanted? And it needs a screw as well. Screwdriver, hammer, file. Screwdriver, hammer, file, and then a screw. You have any kind of screw? Does it take a steel screw? Yes. Oh, 2, 3. So we go 1, 2. Uh-oh. What did I miss there? I guess I need one more. Huh. Interesting. And we probably need one of these as well. That's okay. Should have put this stuff back over here for me. And we're in good shape there. And then we have one extra. And we'll just go like this now. Let's see. Let me think this out. I want to make that thing. I think it's a hammer like that. Yeah. We'll just make one. Not the most efficient. It's doable. And we're okay. I guess we can make one more of these with the steel like this. Or 2 more. Let's make 2 more. We have some sticks somewhere, right? Yep. There, now we've got our tools ready. And the thing is, what are those iron? Those are iron, old iron ones. I should have had those out of, these should have been out of steel too. Those look like iron ones. These will last a lot longer. Very nice. Yeah, I should be making everything out of iron because I just take the regular iron and turn it into steel in that machine, so I should be using it that way. Very cool, very cool. And let's go put the stuff in. Now, this one wanted this. It's a little bit of overkill for the machine, but oh well. And that's plenty for now. And then this one wanted some wires. 30 wires. A lot. Probably not a lot, but there. So now if we go like this, can I? Oh, that's not the right charcoal dust. Look at that. Charcoal dust. Looks a little different. But it's happy? Huh. Just looked different, but no, now it's the right one. Then we go like this, right click on that to lock it. I guess it figured it out. Huh. Interesting. So now how do we make these things? Oh, we smash those down again. So I guess we can go smash some of those. But I don't want to. Let's do... I won't forget. I'll put it like that. We need any iron in here? Iron? No, we don't need any steel plates there. Or there. We need some there. So we'll just put them back over here. Okay, so let's go smash some steel plates. Take the other copper plate, not steel plates, copper plates into foil. But that just saves iron by doing it this way, but oh well. If we do that, is it going to do something? No. How do we make those things? We just did it. Copper foil, right? Copper foil? GregTech. Not annealed. I'm not sure what the difference there, but... Oh, a bending machine. So we need the bending machine, which we're trying to make those. And then we get a double. Okay, I see. Not bad, not bad. Okay. The bending machine's the way to go, and then the bending machine probably does a little better with the with that one. Bending machine. It's right there. 1-to-1 versus what is it? 3-to-1. Ooh, that's way better. You shouldn't be bending or flattening anything in here. Doing the bending. So the bending machine and the wire mill are very, very important. Let's see why now. Okay. So we'll just dump these in here. And we're going to look at the bending machine now. There it is. Basic bending. Basic, we can get rid of that, I guess. Get rid of that. Iron tank we'll leave there. I like that. There. Get rid of the upgrade and that upgrade. Name remover. Oh boy. We can get rid of that. And that. And that. And that and that. Nice. We're cleaning things up. We don't need that there. This there. This there. This there. Or this. We don't need the gold thing. We made the dolly. We still need that. Iron chest. Not. We'll leave it there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Better Bob. We don't make these too often. Glass lens. That's. I think. No, it's not. I don't know. A glider wing would be nice. Cool. Not too hard to make. It's part of a glider. I'll put that on there like that. And then we can get rid of that. So a glider would be nice to have. Okay. But we're back to this, the most important thing. Basic wire mill. I guess we'll make this one first. Let's see. Oh gosh. This is unbelievable. Hard in my mind here looking at this thing. We need electric pistons, electric motors, and those. So what we'll do is we'll put that up here. The put away. I guess we can put this here and here for now. I'm gonna guess we're gonna need at least 32 more wires, so let's just do that, I guess. We'll do it like that. No! Like that. No. Wait a second. Hello? Wire. What? And that way. Choppers. Oh, the steel snuck in there. Very strange. I still like that noise. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll figure out this by going like this. I need 2 here and then an LV haul. So I'll put it like this. LV haul. Take that and I'll put it here. Get this. Then I need 2 of these. Do I have enough? Not even close. I need a bunch of these things. So I need more of these things. Now how was I making that I don't have the ability to make the foil, so I gotta, how do I foil? Smash that down. Okay. So we'll take 16, I guess, for now. Why not? And it says smash it like this, I think? Yep. Oh, that's too many. Maybe not, actually, because we need to make these things snip. Oh, that just snips into that. That's 16. Okay, let's do it. Then snip them like this. Yeah. Cool. We put that in there. Now we've got a chunk of stuff in here. So now we can make it, right? We'll do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we have a couple more here. I should have left a couple of those there. Let's do that right now. Because then it's nice to leave something behind. That way you know how to make the stuff. Okay. And then snip. Yeah, we should leave a little bit behind. Don't try to use everything up in there. We got 10 of them. Now we can make it. Okay. So, now we have these. We can take them out and put them in here, I guess. Now what are we missing? These things. Are we missing any? Oh, we need some in here. Looks like I'm using this copper up quick. It needs some on that side. Okay, thinking this through. Put that here. 16, boy. And oh boy, that's way too many, isn't it? I think that's too many, but oh well. Okay, so we'll put them back over here. It might be worth it to make this thing over on that side, on that one, but we'll see. Oh, now I can make this. Okay, let's see what we can do here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 21. I don't know. And we need at least 4. 4. Then can we make this? No, we need that thing. Oh boy, here's the thing that costs a lot. We need 2 of these, right? What are we missing? Oh, we need 1 of these. Oh, it's oh, so those I should make in the thing next to it with the other ones. Okay. The problem was, I think I used them all up. Let's take a look at it. Like here. Coated circuit board. Wood plank. Okay, wood plank. Plank. Just do it this way. Plank. I think it's just. Oh, that's 22 things. Oh, yuck. Recipe. Oh, it's a compressor with wood pulp. Wood pulp is a bunch of different things in here, and you get wood pulp. So we need to smash down some of this stuff. I guess we can do these. These I got a lot of. 8 of them? I don't know. 10 of them? Let's go up there to our pulverizers. Maybe I have some already done. I think these are all working. Say, hey, work on that. Sure. Oh, it looks like I'm going to have even more good stuff here. That's not good stuff, though. I can put this up here. No, I can't. Do I have any wood done already? This is all charcoal, piles of charcoal. Nope, I do not. This is good stuff that's important to work on. Okay, so it looks like I could just go like this, and and that'll force feed it into there, and then I'll have a lot of wood pulp eventually, sort of, kinda, and I'll even put this back up here. And that should force feed it down as it works its way through here. Coal dust, wood pulp. We'll go like that. This is all wood pulp then. 18 should turn into that in our compressor. But does it turn into just how much? I don't know. How much does it turn in? It takes, what is it, taking 8 at a time? Probably, let's see. Well, oh boy. So it's only doing that much. And need a lot more than that. 6. Let's see if that'll do it. Oh, doing something. Oh, now it's loading that one up. That's okay. Is that going to come out of here? Oh yeah, it'll finish when it does that one. Kind of in the system still. That's the wrong spot. This we can cook off. And we should have 3, but we need so many more. We need... No, we need... was it 6 or was it the 3 on that one? Not sure. Take a look at it. Circuit boards. Recipe. It was only 3. Okay. So if that's the case, here we've already got this. So we'll use it. We'll put it this way. And we'll say... and go like that. And that just... it doesn't put them there. It just marks them as if they were there. And then if we go like that, oh, we get 3 out of there. That's nice. And we'll right click, and now this one knows how to make that. Okay. Then we'll stick these in here. Uh-oh. There. Okay, then we'll stick those in there, and then we can make one more breadboard. There we go. And now can we make that? Can we make 2 of them? 1. Oh, we're missing red alloy. Hello, red alloy. Oh, here's some. We could turn this into it, right? And I think we just coat it like this. Let's see. Put it here and here. I'll coat it. And we'll stick these in here. Then we can make the other one. And the thing is, we're going for the basic bending machine. That and that. So we still have to make... oh, we don't have to do that. We need 1 piece of tin. That's easy to do, right? So we're getting that close. And then it needs a wrench. So it's 2 pistons and 2 motors. Now, is this the thing that we make those in? Yes. We'll right click it there. That's the piston, that's the motor. 2 of each, huh? I think this should be made in the one over to the left. So if we take this here, and this is the motor. I think both of these should probably be made over there. Oh, and that takes a motor, so we need 4 motors? Oh, and that, we know how to make these. Let's make a big stack of those, I guess. And we'll take 2 even. And we'll take the iron rod out of here just arbitrarily, and we'll smash it down with a hammer. Even though it's not the most efficient, right? Oh no, not a hammer. We're going to be using up our old files. But we definitely used it up. There. Now we've got a bunch of rods, which you put it over there this time. I think it's like that and that? Okay. You say so? And now we can put that back up there. Oh, we'll cook this off. And electric motors. Let's do this. Let's go electric motor. Motor. Is that the thing? No. Where is it? I don't. What's the real name? Electric motor LV. It looks like that. Hello? L Ultra Ivy. There it is. And we'll put it over here. Then if we go like that and recipe, we should be able to click it in there. Now these are a little bit different. What is that? A steel rod? That we don't want to use steel on that. Just do it like this. So now if we put it here, that'll tell us what we're missing again. Aw, it only needs one. Really? It is. Make a bunch of these. Aha! It only needs one. Then it needs copper. It needs copper. Oh, it's a bunch of these. We need so much of that, of this stuff. It's unbelievable. Snippers. If we need so much of this, then we definitely have to put more of this in there. Let's make sure it's cooking along. And, whoa, run off the side. And we'll smash some down, I guess. Okay. And do we have more in here? No. No. But we did have some wood pulp over here. Let's put the wood pulp in there and get it going. Compressor. We'll take the spot of the charcoal. And we'll put that up there. And that there. Get rid of this. We got 8 somehow. That's awfully fast. A little weird there. A little suspicious. And here we go. I guess, oh, don't do that. I guess we'll just chop that down. Chop it down. Snip it. And we'll put it in here. Now we need some tin. Tin. Tin here. Tin wire. We'll take 20 and 20. Wrap that up, put it there, and then we'll put the tin wire in here. Okay. Now does it say it's okay? Yes. We needed to make this, I think it was the basic bending machine. We needed 2 of these, but those take 1 of those, so we need 4 motors. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll right click on that, save it, okay. And then this thing, let's unclick this. We'll take these out of here because I think that's only part of that recipe. I'm not really sure. Let's see. No rods, steel. We need that. Yeah, we're in good shape. It was just part of this, maybe. Yeah, so we can take that out of there and we save some space. That's what we were shooting for. This gold shouldn't be in here. I'm gonna melt that down. Okay, we're in good shape here so far. And move that stuff over. Okay. So these things next. That can just be replaced, I guess. I don't know what it does, if it'll replace itself or something, I don't know. So we need steel plates, steel rods, tin cables. We have that. Steel plates, tin rods. What? Steel plates, steel rods. We don't have any steel rods. Or plates. There we go. There we go. There. And tin cables are over there. Whew. So we'll go like that. This is the end result thing. So over here. I can just do it this way, I guess, too. There. Now it knows about it. Now we're only missing these. Okay. Small steel gear. Small iron gear. How do you make these? It's probably the same way. iron, iron, rod, 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 plate, rod. Oh boy. Looks like some more of those. And of course I took all the plates out of here. And like that. And I think it was hammer snipper. A lot, yes it was. One. And then take a file. We'll just do this in the air. It's like this. Rods. Okay. And then we'll kind of go like that, like that. 4 of them, I guess. We'll leave one over here so we know how to make it. I don't like it though. Need one more plate. And we'll just take 4 plates and smash them by hand, I guess. Not the best way to do it, but I need it. Can't do it there. Do it way out there. Okay. And put these in the middle. And just like that. Okay. Whew. There. And got that. Got a backup one here. Yes, like that. Okay. Put everything around. And good to go. Okay. Now we can put this here and we can make that then? Yeah. We need 2 of them. 1, 2. And then, oh, so we put this here, and here, here, and here. And what do we need here? A tin cable. We'll take one right there. And what else was there? A wrench. We have a wrench on us like that. And if I just go like this now, and like that, da 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 da. And what does this do? Can we just show us? No, it doesn't do it that way. I wanted to find the recipes for it. No, not those. 19,000. I don't know how to show like just, oh, right there, recipes. Dough into flattened dough. Oh, I haven't eaten that. What's the recipe on that? Oh, boy. All right, we got to go hook this thing up. Oh, we got to save, what? Saving metal with bending. Oh, it's a quest, so let's take a look. Right here. We get a loot bag and that. Okay, this is the 3-to-2 ratio. Now this machine allows for a 1-to-1, so I shouldn't be doing the flattener upstairs anymore. This saves an enormous, so make it as soon as possible, which I didn't do. By the way, if you want foils, just run it back through again. There's other circuit modes, but you can discover them later. Okay, interesting. Somebody said something about clicking a ghost something. There's a thing over here when you have it. Let's claim it. Let's put this in here. In here. Let's do this as well. We'll take that like that. We'll open up this. No more filing? What is this thing? A lathe? Why waste a full ingot to make a rod by using a tool which loses durability and takes even more ingots? All your rod needs shall be fulfilled, for now at least. The MB extruder is the next step, which I made accidentally. Okay, so there's a lot of machines here. We're going to stay focused. Handle me staying focused. Let's open it up, find what we get. A dowel. Oh, you got to be kidding me. I'm going to put that... Well, it's kind of neat to have an extra dolly around, so let's go. We're going to stick it right on the wall. Right there. That's kind of silly. Did I pick up a piece of tin? No. Back. Down here. They also said something about the GT++ or Multiplex here. A Steam tier? Impossible? I don't know. Maybe it was this? Oh boy. EBF time. How do I, oh boy. Get aluminum in order to need an electric button. It's a very important step towards victory. I didn't know there was a victory. What? This is confusing. Oh boy. I'm not. I don't like that. It's too much. Okay, got one of those. What I wanted to do was this thing right here. That. Because I want more of these eggs so that I can spawn more Endermen eventually and get a lot more Ender pearls so that I can get elevators so I don't have to sit there and go back up and down. And why am I going down there? Oh, I know why I'm going. My brain knew why I was going down here. I didn't know. Yuck. This is a mess down here. There's our extruder of shame. I guess I'll put this right here. This is not the right spot to put it, but it's okay for now. Connect it? I always think they're going to blow up when I do that. Oh, I left my thing upstairs. Did I leave it in a bench? I bet you it's in this one way over here. At least I knew. Gotta put that in the melter thing. Alright, so bending it, that does stuff, right? Bends or flattens or something. I guess we'll go like this. We'll see what happens. Got a lot of steam. I still have to make this bigger. I wanted the output this way. And then a chest. Looks like I have to make more chests as well. That's okay. And somebody suggested I could put a shulker box under there. I can. But this is all not ideal in any sense. This is turning into a mess. But it's turning into like the next thing I'm going to put here with an output that way. It's just weird. But oh well. They said something about this. You click it. Oh, it does. It configures stuff. What? Did I just mess it up by clicking it? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What? Can I reset it? Oh, I can go back down by right-clicking. Shift left-click to open the UI. Shift right-click to clear. Clear. Left-click. Oh my gosh. What is all this? Select a machine tool. I don't know what this is. I guess sort of, kind of. I've seen these where they're there. I just didn't understand them. I guess this is how you program it to do certain things. But what certain things could this thing do? Like if I go like this. Oh, how do I make it do it? A copper plate. Copper plate. I want the GregTech one, not the Galactic Craft Core one. Yeah. And then I'll look it up under Bending Machine. Oh, it has a little circuit there. So you need to have a circuit to say what to do. Maybe if I just go 1, if I just put a 1 there, it'll know. Wonder what number 2 does. Can I find out? Oh boy. Oh boy. If I go like that, will it do it? It's doing something. Output on. Hello. It's working. Very nice. And it's doing, what is it, 1 to 1? It can't. At first I was getting 2 for 1. Then I was getting 3 for 2. And now I'm getting 1 for 1. Very nice, very nice. Guess I didn't need that. So let's go make the next machine. I'm gonna dump this. It sounds like it's raining out. Yep. Yeah, it's definitely raining. Oh, and these are all done. Let's fix these. Not fix them, but I still don't have enough. Really, I don't have enough gold for this. So I just go like that. Are they full? No. Are these working? And I just didn't realize. Some of them aren't working. Well, I'll just empty them all. Or get them all started to be empty at least. There we go. This is better than breaking them and resetting them, because I get the creosote oil, but I also don't have to break and then refix them. But the ideal thing is putting the redstone clock on there. I think that would be the most fun part. Then I wouldn't have to do this at all. And just like in other series, it seems to be that I'm running my whole world on sticks and wood. And somebody said I can burn this in a semi-fluid generator, I think, and get a lot of power. But I'm wondering how fast it'll eat this up. Am I going to have to? I might have to make 10 more of these. And as long as they're automated, I wouldn't mind having 10 more. I kind of didn't mind because I was going to set it up on top, and they would do their thing. Maybe I could, I could pipe this from right here still. So I don't know. We'll figure it out. Maybe this will move forward, and I can put 10 on top of there. I don't know. We'll see. Well, I don't know why sometimes it clicks and drops them all, and sometimes it does the other thing. I need an umbrella. And I think there is an umbrella in some Modpack. Let's take a look at what we have here as far as... Nothing in there, okay. If I just stick these in, up is on, down is off, and got 10. Looks like I had some nuggets and I turned them into copper ingots, which was fine. Got the steel over here. I don't have any steel in there. I should have some in there, but oh well. Let's put. I'm always putting stuff away. Just like that. This is nice. It's getting organized. Staying organized is really, really, really key to everything. We'll run up here, and then we're going to make the next machine. So I guess I don't have to bend or flatten everything. I wonder what this is for then. I just don't know. Let's make as much as once I have the wire, maybe I won't. Maybe I can tear this down if I find that I'm not using it at all. And I can get back all this stuff and maybe a little bit of that. I don't know. Anything in here? And I'll take the wood planks. I know where those go. And we'll replace that with that. Go like that. And that. And I know where all this stuff goes. Then we're going to make the next machine. And it looks like we'll probably need these wood planks. Wood planks. That goes here. They're made with like that. Okay. We'll make a couple. Why not? We'll make that. Oh, looks like I made 12. I usually try not to make, the last of them, but they're there, so I can find out the recipe that way on this. Okay. Let's move this stuff over a little bit to anticipate the room that will be needed. Looks like I'll probably need some small steel gears. And we're going for the next machine, which is, take this away now because we've made it. 4 of those, 2 tins, and we'll do it the same way we just did. Okay, so LV Hall. Can I make one? Very nice. Put this out of the way temporarily, and we'll take a look at it again. 2 circuits, 2 tin. 2 tin. Take the 2 tin and put it there. Can we make 2 circuits? Probably missing quite a bit. Can we make the 2 boards? 1. No. Okay, we can't do that. We're making the wire machine, which we're heading for, so that we can make these wires more efficiently. But right now, I can't. So that's okay. We don't want to do too many. Let's see. I don't know, 14 sounds like a number. And put them there, I guess. I need 1 more, I think. Okay, and now what are we missing? Those. I need 4 of those. 1, 3, 4. Whoa, just enough. Oh, what's the chances? Okay. And then 2. 1, 2. Okay. Oh, this stuff's expensive. And then what? 4 rotors, and we're good. How are these rotors made? Oh, they're made next door, I think. Not made here. They're made here. Right click on that to save that. What are we missing? Oh, 1. You gotta be kidding. 2. Oh, we need a little bit more. We need 8. This, I think. Then we'll be able to make the wires. This is gonna break our clippers, right? Yep. I knew that was coming. Clip, clip, clip. And I don't like this being here. Why? Down. Just don't. This one. Oh, that should be there. It's a little better, but I don't like symmetry. I'm going for symmetry. Let's go back over here. Put those there, and we make 2 more of these. 1, 2. 1. Oh, I need 2 more tins. Where are the tins? Oh, right here. Let's go like that, and 8. Probably need more of this. Can I make these in? Can I make these in a no extruder? Wait a second. Extruder, is that no? Basic extruder. I don't. Yeah, I can't make it in my. What was I making it in before? The alloy smelter. We have that downstairs, right? Um, uh, we'll take a look. Okay, and just 1. Put this back in here. That technically goes there, but it's going to get rid of the last one. And that, we have enough. And put this here for now, and here for now. Just for now. And, well, I want to make these into wires with the machine if we make this thing, which I think we're going to do right now, right? Very nice. Firecrackers. No firecrackers. Let's take a quick nap, and let's go plug this in and make our machine thing. Dude. We're just going to plug it into the... I think, is this going to burn up if I connect too many machines to it? I don't know. So let's go like that. This is terrible. And then we'll go like this and like this. There. And 1 second. And then I'll put a chest out. We definitely have to make some more chests. Put it there. We'll turn on the outer. Now, how do I make it, you know, I put it here, it doesn't do the thing. Shift click, and then what? It would be nice, like what if I put 2 there? What happens? I don't know. Uh-oh. It's not working. Oh, it's not connected. And then we'll connect it. Uh-oh. Oh, boy. Shift, right click to clear it. And then right click, left click. Hello? How did I get that thing in there to make this? Like, this one worked. Oh, it's a 1. Oh, this is a little different. Unused. And, okay, so we're going to figure this out. Maybe that's not the white. Maybe that's not how you make wire. Copper wire. Maybe this will tell us. GregTech copper wire. Wire mill. Oh, we need copper rods. then I think that other machine up here was right back over here. That's why we, no more filing. Yeah, that's why we need this lathe. That's okay. We'll make the lathe in the next episode, but right now, so I can just, oh, so I can't do it that way. Do I have a hammer on me? Not that kind of hammer. Let's go back upstairs and we'll see if it works. Interesting. So if I go like, we'll just do one. Oh, no, no. And it's no more filing, because that's how they're, if we put this in here, it should do it, right? Let's see. Elevators. Sooner the better. Hello. Oh, it did it right away. And it put it right here. Very cool. Holy moly, holy cow. And does this alloy machine, does this do plates? Holy, yeah. The answer is yes. All right. Whew, that's a lot. So what I'm going to figure out is expand this and figure out a better lineup for this. I'm concerned that I lose amperage or something if I extend this. I guess I'll test it, and maybe you can make a bigger cable. I remember something about bigger cables and different things, but this is GregTech, so not that. I don't know, maybe like a thick tin cable to extend this out of here down this way, and then it kind of just shoots out the. I'll do the outputs out of the bottom with what do you call it? Maybe some hoppers. We'll be in good shape. So all those, yeah, because this is just silly. This thing, how it's like this, but it works. But it's not, you know. I want to be able to walk up and look at it like this. Very cool. More of this. Maybe even move one of those upstairs on the roof. The one where I usually start the episode on is only in a 10% humidity area, so I'll probably move that and make 2 more down here so that I can keep up on the water supply, because it's not filling this up very fast. 2 more will keep up on it. Oh. Uh-oh. Looks like I might need more of these things, just more charcoal makers just for the charcoal blocks. Wow. That would be interesting. Can you imagine 20 of those things working? Weird. Very, very strange. But we made a lot of progress, and we made the basic wire mill and the bending machine. Is that a bending machine? What was that? Is that what it's called? Bending? Yeah, it's the bending machine. Very cool, guys. And with that, this is probably, is this in a 10% zone? Are both of these in a 10% zone? Oh, right on the edge. That's not a good idea to build on the edge of the zone, chunk too. Maybe I got to get rid of both of these. Yeah, because this is just supplying these with water, and these have been able to keep up. And I can move these downstairs then. Yeah, I'll move 2 of these downstairs. Get rid of this side. Get rid of those. Move them downstairs and the water production. So I've got a lot of stuff to do off camera. And straighten out that bottom area. Pretty cool. Have a good one and enjoy. So much stuff. This pack really does, it constantly has you doing things, which is a really good thing. You don't run out of stuff to do early on at all. Like this, I want out front, I want a big area of crops. And I knew that early on. That's why I was kind of flattening out there. So I've got a lot of area out there to flatten. And then I can get like a long thing of crops, and I'll be in good shape. Then I'll have like a long this, you know, and it'll just be nice. Sounds good. Have a good one and enjoy. It's fun. Oh, if you guys like this stuff, go ahead and comment and sub and like. I'll remember those. I always forget to ask, and I know you should ask. I don't like it, but I know you should, because then it reminds people, and it helps. And it helps me a great deal. So have a good one, and enjoy. Just run around, jump around. Oh, don't get burned on the pipes.